Friends, Namaskar. I am Pradeep Patil and wishing you all a very happy, healthy, and safe life. Nowadays, the corona pandemic has created significant and radical challenges, unprecedented challenges before the world. It has changed the modern living, our way of life, significantly. At the same time, it has underscored the importance of change management for our lives. Friends, an eagle has longest lifespan of its species. It can live up to 70 years. But to reach that age, it has to take a hard decision. At the age of 40 years, its beak and talons become weak and can no longer grab the food. Its feathers and wings become heavy and thick, due to which it cannot fly. It feels difficulty to take the flight. In this situation, the eagle is left with only two options. Number one, do, and number two, die. Certainly, the eagle chooses the first option and goes to the top of the mountain, and it breaks its beak, talons, feathers and wings one by one after another. And after passing through the painful process for 5 months, it takes the famous flight of rebirth with new beak, new talons, new feathers and new wings. And it lives for further 30 years with new energy and new enthusiasm. Friends, it doesn't matter whether this story is a metaphor or a truth, but the pain and pleasure of transformation journey of human being cannot be explained better than this story. Many a times, the stories can play a significant role to shape, design and transform our journey, our lives. Friends, it is said that nothing can be changed by changing the face, but everything can be changed by facing the change. In fact, the change is necessary for all the creatures on the earth. It is essential to ensure the survival, and that is why Charles Darwin says that it is not the strongest species nor the most intelligent that survive, but one who most responsive to the change. Despite the change is deeply rooted, deeply connected with the survival, people do avoid change, people do resist the change. And it is not because of lack of courage, conviction, confidence and commitment. It is due to uncertainty, lack of trust, communication gap and misunderstanding. I remember when the banking system of India was being shifted from manual to CBS platform. That time many staff members, many employees tendered their resignation and submitted the application under VRS scheme. And most of them were highly qualified, highly talented and highly committed. But due to uncertainty and other reasons, they left the organizations. So what is the way to address the challenges of change management? How the issues, how the challenges of the change management can be resolved? Friends, famous management guru John Kotter says that change must not be imposed on the people. Rather, the people must be included, must be involved in the change management process. because the human behavior, unlike infrastructure and technology, cannot be controlled absolutely. It is very difficult to map human thinking, aspirations, and the perception. So, with a view to change the perceptions, thinking, and attitude of the people, we must adopt the methods of education, participation, discussion, negotiation, and the facilitation. And for implementing these methods, the training can build up a strong support system. Training can be useful to transform the people. Once a CFO asked CEO, what happens if we invest developing the people and they leave us? The CEO immediately replies that what happens if we don't and they stay? Friends, this brief conversation between CFO and CEO underscores the significance of training for transforming the people under the change management. Many times, most of the people wait for the outside circumstances to change them for changing their lives. But life is totally opposite. Unless the change comes from inside, it cannot be reflected outside. It cannot be seen in the real sense on the outside. So, if the change is adopted in the structured manner with integrated approach, then only it can fulfill our dreams, desires, aspirations, objectives and goals, not only in personal life but also in our professional lives. Thank you very much.